Hey, welcome back, my party people. Anderson here. Let's go ahead and take care of this question here. Quantity A, 5 cubed minus 5 to the power of 4. And quantity B is just 5. So in this type of problem, what we want to do is compare these two values quantitatively. So one's greater than the other, they're equal, or you just can't determine the relationship with the information given. Now, because we have solid numbers, we can definitely find a solution. So it's not going to be D. It's not going to be it. We can definitely work this out. And the answer is going to be B. And the reason is because when you think about what's going to happen when you have 5 cubed and 5 to the 4th being subtracted from each other, notice how 5 to the power of 4 will definitely be larger than 5 cubed. And that's because 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. And if you really wanted to use your calculator, you would see that it's 125. With 5 to the power of 4, that's 4 5s being multiplied together. And so what we'll see is the 125 multiplied by an additional 5. And so what we'll receive here is 625. And so if we subtract these two, that will definitely be a negative value. So we shouldn't really have to use our calculators to see this. We want to recognize this as quickly as we can, because the number 5 is still positive 5. So that won't change, making B the answer.